the break of dawn, and I'm stretching and yawning. Check my Facebook first thing in the morning. Screen is glinting so bright, my eyes are squinting. Shit's looking double just like I'm tripping. It's time to start primping, getting dressed to leave the house. I need to get a job or my mom will throw me out. I owe so much money and back child support. I'll probably go to jail next time I go to court. Ex-wife is a bitch and she keeps on bitching. Light a cigarette and I walk to the kitchen. Over easy eggs, that is the mission. So I crack the eggs and I bust the yolk. I'll eat it anyway cause I'm so damn broke. Burnt eggs, burnt toast, breakfast of champs. Go to check the mail, I got denied food stamps. Trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day. I'm trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day. Go to catch the bus, it cost me $1. Ask me if I even really give a fuck. I don't, that's my motto. Need to hit the lotto. Go downtown and buy a 40-ounce bottle. Drink it with the homies in the park. I got a little buzz and it's getting dark. Finish off the 40-ounce fluid. I'm a killer on the track, call me Tony Stewart. Go back to the house and I wanna see my girl. Fuck her brains out and I rock a world. Watch some TV and I pass out late. Another day in the life of 40-ounce Jake. I'm trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day. I'm trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day. People have told me that my rhymes are sick. Maybe that's because I'm a lunatic. I really don't give a shit, that's how I do it. Ray Rice is quick to pimp smack a bitch. Guess he don't know how to treat the ladies. Motherfuckers rolling around in a Mercedes. I'm not though, I need cash flow. My classmate Rex played the Super Bowl. That was 10 years ago, I'm still chasing my dreams to be a big name artist on the hip hop scene. They made marijuana legal in DC. Obama may be in the White House smoking trees, not me. They test my piss because I'm on probation. I'm trying to make a song that will reach the whole nation, so I can share this, fuck a radio station, because we're living in the internet generation. I'm trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day. I'm trying to have fun, dumb diddy dumb. I'll grab a chainsaw and make my haters run. The economy's fucked and I need to get paid, because we all know that shit happens every day.